Yes sir, how y'all doing? Hope y'all doing good today, man. And we're back with another video. Thanks for clicking this video, I appreciate it. Do remember to please click like, share, subscribe so the channel can grow. I want to do great things. I got great things planned for this channel, so just help me out, please. Now, as you can see, different setting, not in the garage today. There's a reason for that. I'm waiting on some parts. And if you watch the previous video, you'll see where I couldn't get the car into gear while it was on. So the first thing I'm gonna try is to bleed my transmission, because when I popped the reservoir, I saw some air bubbles in there. So that's the first thing I'm gonna try. As you can see the title of the video, we're gonna get into it. But first, before I get into my top 5, I'm gonna call out some other channels that I do watch, but I watch my top 5 way more than I watch these, but some of them I just discovered. We have Foot Asylum. That's a channel that's in London. Crazy channel. I mean, laughter for days. And there's a new series on there that's called Does the Shoe Fit? Crazy. They upload every Sunday. I love that channel. I'm not doing any advertisement for them or whatever, because I'm not even that big for them to even pay me to do that. But hopefully one day I'll get there. Booster John, I discovered that like a year ago or a couple years ago or something like that. And I discovered him through Gingium. Gingium, I learned so much from that channel. Very good channel. Emilia Hartford, I discovered her a couple months ago. My name is Emilia, hers Emilia. That's what made me click it, and I never regretted clicking that channel. Awesome channel. And Raisa Miata, I've been watching that guy for years. From Haggard Garage days, way back. I've been watching that guy for years. So those are the channels that I do watch also, but I'm gonna get into the top 5 right now. Let go. And coming in at number 5 is Brat Vlogs. Yes, you can see that I have a dirt bike on the channel. He is not the main reason why I got a dirt bike. I wanted a dirt bike ever since I watched that movie Motocross. Now, if you're a young kid, you will not know that movie. It's a Disney special. It's years ago, Motocross, and that's the reason why I wanted a dirt bike, and I wanted one ever since I was a kid. But I really like pushed for it when I started watching Brat Vlogs. His dirt bike content is ridiculous. Like, he's mean on the bike, so that's why I got one, and that's why I really pushed for one. He's always at his family too, with his family, and that's one of the things I love. I'm family oriented, as you can see in my videos. You see I have my family around me, not so much friends, because where I live at, I'm kind of isolated from all my friends, but I have a lot of friends, don't get it twisted. I am a nice person, you know that. Number 4, which is Zosh. I've been watching this guy for years, and I still can't believe, or I'm just wondering, why hasn't this channel grow way larger than how it is now? Because he has done so much for the culture in the past, and he still continues to do it in the car scene. So I don't know why his channel is not that big, but it should be. I mean, that channel should be way up there. I don't know how that guy doesn't even have 1 million subscribers yet. That's a very good channel. I learned a lot from there too. Number 3 is Adamlz. Adamlz, I've been watching this guy for years. From the BMW E92 and the S13, from those days, I've been watching Adam with his stunt bike when he was doing all that stunt bike stuff. I think that's what caught my attention, because I love those stunt bikes. I never got a chance to get around to one, but I love those things. And he put on a lot of people, and that's what I respect too, because he's the one that let me know about Tanner Fox and Alberto Big Boost, Motion Auto TV. Like, he put on so much people, man, and That is good. I love those things, man. I love when they don't keep everything to themselves. They spread it, like, and they don't have problem with doing that. Coming in at number 2, Booster Boy Germ. Yes, sir. And trust me, I love that channel so much, boy. I mean, I watched the first video that was uploaded to that channel. That's how way back I go with that channel, man. I watched that thing grow from the initial stage. And trust me, you see my channel is mostly based on my EK, building my EK, which is a huge passion for me. That channel is so inspirational. I mean, there are times where I wanted to sell the hatch, like just gave up on the hatch, don't care about it, trade it or whatever. But as soon as I go on YouTube and I pull that channel up, I'm like, nope, it's off. I'm not selling my car. It's far from where I really want it to be, because the swap that I want is not even in the cars yet. But I chose the boosted route first because I want to explore that boost life with a cheaper engine. Like, if it blows, I can get another one. But my aim is to get that H swap in there on boost. So that is one of my favorite channels, man. And trust me, that channel is, whew, his content is like through the roof where the car community is concerned, or the car culture, or car scene, whatever you may call it. You may not even see this video. I don't care. I'm just paying homage to those channels that I love and who inspired me to do what I'm doing right now. And I won't stop with this YouTube thing, man. And yeah, number 1. And this channel is not even car related, but man, this man does so much for people, and I love that. I am hoping one day my channel can be that big so I can help people out the way this guy does, like every day, every hour. I don't even know, he's probably doing that off camera too. The way this guy is, it's crazy. Nobody's doing this on YouTube, like, and if they are, I'm sorry, but I don't see it. But Mr. Beast, oh my god, that channel is crazy.
Woohoo! Oh yes!
That man helps so much people in life, so much people, and that's what I really love. I love seeing people happy. So it's a channel where I even go back and watch old videos, because he made this person happy, this old woman happy, this guy happy, this girl happy. It doesn't matter who, this kid. He goes all out for people, and he doesn't even care about himself that much. Because if you see this guy, he doesn't dress fancy. He don't have no chain. He don't have this, no high cars. And he drives a Lincoln. Like, and this man got so much money. It's like, this is ridiculous. So he is my number 1. I watch that channel if I need motivation, inspiration, all of that. I love those channels, and you can go check it out and show support. And I mean, you won't regret it. These channels that I watch, they are entertaining. This is the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Those are my top 5 channels, the ones that I watch the most. And we out.
Shorty, you better you know it. Shorty, you better you show it. Shorty, you better you know it. Shorty, you better you show it. Make me feel like I just want you to come over. I just want you to have my daughter. Shorty, you